Hey guys, how you doing? Long time no see, but I'm back. And today we've got a WWE shop unboxing. We've got a figurine and two t-shirts. So let's start off with the figurine. We have got one part of the White family, Luke Harper. So there he is. Let's get him open. There's the back of the box before we get him open. What's in the series? Kalisto, Renee Young, Brock Lesnar, the notable people, I suppose. So let's get him open. So there he is, Luke Harper. So there, his tongue's sticking out, if you can see that. He's got his crazy pose, he's got his sweat marks all on his t-shirt. Moves pretty well. Legs lift up so he can do his signature or his finisher. And yeah, so that is Luke Harper. Pretty good figure in my opinion. They've definitely got the long legs spot on. Look at his legs compared to his body. Jesus Christ. Alright, so that's the figurine. Just chuck all the rubbish out. No use for that. And now we have got the first t-shirt. Let's get this open. That didn't work. So here is the t-shirt. Poser. Say Breeze. So a Tyler Breeze t-shirt from, I don't know if you can see that. Oh, slightly. An NXT t-shirt. So I got that, Tyler Breeze, because it has NXT on the bottom as well. Because I love Tyler Breeze. Okay, so t-shirt number one. T-shirt number two, which definitely looks the best. And this t-shirt, there it is. Mind the bed squeaking. Don't know what's doing that. The NXT TakeOver UK Tour. So as you can see, it has a UK in the background. Then it has, let's see if I can see that, Enzo and Cass, Samoa Joe, Apollo Crews, Bayley, Finn Balor, Sami Zayn, Oscar, the Vaudevillains, and Baron Corbin. And on the back, it has all the tour dates. I might be able to read them out. Newcastle, Glasgow, Sheffield, Blackpool, Nottingham, Cardiff, and London. Obviously, and then the London, it has a little NXT TakeOver, a little badge next to it, because that's when it was filmed. So yeah, so we've got the two t-shirts and the figurine from the WWE shop. I hope you enjoy the video. Smack the like button. Comment down below on which t-shirt is your favourite, or if you like the figurine. And subscribe for more. See you later.